In this video, I'm going to show you how to export song in Waveform. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is open a project where your song is. So we're going to pretend that these two tracks over here are my entire song, and I want to export this. Now, to do it, you want to go to the top left and click on File, and then you want to click on Export Render to a File. From here, first you want to select where you want to render, so we can just click on this button and then browse and select the folder where you want it. And then from here, you can go and select your format. So we have options like WAV or WAV, MP3, and stuff like that. I'm just gonna go for WAV right now. You can go and select your channel layout. You have your sample rate, which you can change, as well as your sample size too. From here, you have things like removing silence. You can normalize your audio. You can adjust level based on RMS. You could go and enable dithering over here, or dithering, whatever you want to call this. And then from here is the most important part. It says only render marked region. So if you've marked a specific region using this in and out loop markers over here, you'll be able to, of course, select this. But if you want to export the entire thing, make sure you don't select this, because if you do, it's only going to export that part. In my case, only this bit over here, okay? So I'm going to not check this. And then from here, you can select how you want to render as well. You can go ahead and add different node infos, etc. And down here, you want to select if you want to render automatically and add it to library or not. Whenever you've done all of this, your song is ready to be exported, so you want to click on the render button, and that's really all you have to do. You simply go to the file where basically you've saved this, so the file you selected over here, in this over here, of course, and you'll be able to see your export in there, okay? So mine is under downloads, and I can find my exported project in there. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.